Welcome everyone. This video is to present an executive video of collaborative robotic solution for laser micromachining. My name is Gintare and I will guide you to this video. Workshop of Photonics as the project lead and ABB as a provider of robotic manipulator arm have collaborated on developing a complete robotized laser micromachining workstation. Two partners were participated. Workshop of Photonics is located in Lithuania. ABB Group is with headquarters in Sweden. Workshop of Photonics has started as R&D and has developed winning laser micromachining solutions over the years. Today, the company delivers technologies and solutions for femtosecond laser micromachining tasks for industry and science customers around the globe. Whereas ABB Group energizes the transformation of society and industry to achieve a more productive, sustainable future. The main purposes of the project: to demonstrate possibility to automate glass wafer placement for fabrication, eliminating need for human input. Demonstrate machine vision capability to achieve 1 micron accuracy for glass wafer sample alignment. Demonstrate possibility to remotely start and monitor automated fabrication process. Project task: to create laser micromachining workstation design capable of integrating a robotic arm. Integrate sample gripper to handle 6-inch glass wafers. Integrate robotics handling into SCAL laser micromachining software process. Create infrastructure for remote control and monitoring, ensuring adequate security complying with the European Union Agency for Cybersecurity requirements. Create machine vision solution for significantly improving placement accuracy. And the final results of our project: 8 endurance testing runs were performed, 1,430 total placement cycles. All interruptions were reported directly to the user's mobile devices with push notifications. Glass wafer placement accuracy of less than 1 micron was achieved. The final results are demonstrated in the table. Talking about contribution to agile manufacturing: increasing delivery speed significantly, reducing human input to a minimum, opportunity to further develop automation technology to create automated job shops. Application scenarios: this project was for production services at VOP facilities, but a complete product for industry clients can be suggested for such clients as in biotechnology, semiconductors, and glass machining industry. This collaborative robotic solution relieves workers, is ultra-accurate, faster, and less error-prone. It enables to set up of a 24/7 automated fabrication process with remote workflow management. If you are interested and would like to find out more, do not hesitate to contact us. You can also visit the TRINITY catalog and via YouTube channel by scanning this QR code. Take care and thank you for watching.